Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install a SIM card on your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. So let's get started. So in order to install a SIM card, you need a SIM ejector tool, which should come with the phone. Now if you don't have this, you can also take a paper clip and fold it like this, or an old earring piece. But we'll need a tool like this to first take out the SIM tray. So the SIM tray is on the left corner right here. You'll see a cutout that looks like that, and then you take your SIM tool, first just insert it in, and then you have to give a gentle push. So once you push, you'll hear a little click, and then you can just take your finger and pull out the SIM tray. So let's take out the SIM tray. Now once you have taken the SIM tray, you're going to take your SIM card, and then you're going to match up the cut corner right here with the cut corner. So these are the two SIM slots. There's a dual SIM. So we'll just put on the first one. This is where the SD card goes. So we'll take that, and then we will just simply insert it back in here with our fingers, and it should sit nice and smoothly. And then we'll hit OK. And you might have to restart the device if it doesn't pick up the phone service right away. But you should be good to go after that. And I hope this video is helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.